There's nothing.
Hey, the waffles were there, you could toast it. Bread is there, you can toast it, put peanut butter, cream cheese. Don't say there's nothing, just because it's not given to you on a plate, Tristan. You forget.
Alright. Enough of the mumble jumble.
What?
Did I get lucky? Yes and no. TikTok was booming at that time I started, and if you don't know by now, TikTok is a golden gem. It's literally a gold mine. Anything you do in life, go on TikTok and it will enhance that by 10, if not more. Furthermore, thanks Miss Ferguson, English teacher. I always had a knack for social media. Once I got that Instagram going, I couldn't stop. I couldn't help myself, if you shall say. I was posting about 3 times per day, reels, stories, posts, finding viral content, reposting that, doing whatever I can, whatever I had to do, because this world is cruel and you have to work. I had a lot of connections, politics. You gotta know people that know people that know people that know people that know people. What I'm trying to say is I had a lot of connections for inventory, for supplies, for marketing, and etc. Which of course helped me grow my business into 6 figures.
Shut up!
The last point I would like to bring up regarding the statement of I got lucky is I saw results fast. And I'm talking about starting in November and seeing results in December. 1 month it was probably less than a month's difference than when I started to when I was actually seeing, and big results. I mean big results, like 5 sales a day, which was pretty big and is big for anyone who just started a month earlier. Now, to argue my case, no, I was not lucky. I am a genius. I wouldn't go that far. But when it comes to social media, I did a lot of research, studied a lot on YouTube, read blogs, whatever I had to do, found out stuff about algorithm which I never even knew existed, reposted viral content, did what I had to do to get my stuff out there. Similarly to the previous point, social media, TikTok, specifically TikTok, that's where a lot of my traffic came from. And thirdly, I put in my time. Similarly, like Mike Ross put in his time in Suits for being a fraud. Obviously, I'm not a fraud, but so this whole thing has been in a span of maybe 6-7 months. 7 months maybe. So yeah, I started from social media, opened a little shop, opened a TikTok account, grew all of that. Took a while to grow all of that. And here we are. And you know what? Leaving off on that point, my final decision, no, I did not get lucky. Now I want to share with you guys 3 secrets. 3 secrets. This is secret sauce. It's a secret sauce. Oh. 1, social media. I've been talking about this through this whole video. Social media is key to get yourself out there. That's how you're going to get your traffic. Yeah, Facebook ads, yeah, paid marketing, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Social media is free. Create an Instagram account, a YouTube account, a Pinterest account. Pinterest is very good as well. Very underrated. Try it. Also, along my journey, so many people have been telling me, and I've heard this and in so many YouTube videos, and I've watched so many times, people tell you to use influencers. It's a load of shit. You don't need influencers. You don't waste your money on that. Social media, just social media, focus on that. Build your own platform. Don't pay for someone else's platform. Build your own. The second secret I want to tell you guys about is product ideas. Guys, during my 7-month journey, every day I have a new product idea in my head. A new product idea, a new product color, product variation. Don't stop thinking of new product ideas. That's what's going to further enhance your business and take it to the next level. I remember I got stuck. I started seeing a big decline in sales, where I was going from about $1,500 dollars per day to $500 per day. So I was in crisis mode. I was looking for ways. I was posting like 5 times per day on TikTok, posting on Instagram, doing what I had to do, posting on Pinterest. It didn't work. And I thought to myself why it wasn't working really. It was because I was reposting the same thing. So I realized that people like that stuff. So I'm not going to change it, but I'll change it just a bit. So it's the same product. I did the same product in the videos and everything, just a different color. This guy's that one trick, having your products in multiple colors will reach so many more people. You'd be surprised by how many people want your shirt that you're selling right now in orange, in pink, in yellow. Now, on the other hand, if you don't know what product they use to come up with, you have no clue. Yeah.
How are you, Sunny?
Good.
Sorry, I didn't get a chance to say hi. You're doing stuff?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay.
I just want to say hi, darling, because I'm busy today. What did you eat? Apple pie for breakfast just then? You're not eating properly, son.
There's nothing.
Hey, the waffles were there. You could toast it. Bread is there. You can toast it. Put peanut butter, cream cheese. Don't say there's nothing just because it's not given to you on a plate, Tristan. You forget.
You don't scare me!
In your Portugal days where you made your own oatmeal and all that stuff.
Yeah, what I had to because I was by myself.
And so now, you're old enough to fend for yourself. So you're old enough to feed yourself on with what is there in the fridge. Okay, I should go.
Up to you. See you. Back to what I was saying. So if you guys have no idea what product it is or what new products you want to come up with, ask your followers. That's why you have Instagram, TikTok. That's why you have your social media accounts. Ask them what they want to see. The third secret sauce is having multiple traffic sources. So by that I mean where you bring your traffic in from, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, anything, even word of mouth, anything really. You need to have multiple traffic sources in order to run a successful business. I use TikTok, Instagram, YouTube now, of course, Pinterest, word of mouth, and that's all I can think of right now. I'm sure there's a couple other. Yeah, so try to get your business out there as much as you can across a variety of platforms, and then you will see more traffic coming to your store, which ultimately leads to more sales. A question I ask myself all the time during this last 7 months is, was I bored? Was I just bored? Is that why I started all this? I was living alone in an apartment. It was COVID. I couldn't go out to do shit. So I was in my apartment the whole time by myself. And I just started this page. I just started this Instagram page for fun. That's literally how this all started. So I guess the answer to that question is yes, I was just bored. So to recap, oh my god, I got my shot yesterday. Did I get lucky? No. The 3 secrets are social media, product ideas, and multiple traffic sources. And yes, I was just bored. We will see where we go from here. And if you want to see where I go from here as well, hit the subscribe button. Just do it.
Do it! Just do it!